The name of our prototype is Your Portal. Our problem was how to start simple and smart and have the user create customization from all possible web places and databases. And our one-sentence description is, it starts simple and it goes smart. One thing we really wanted to be sure of is to have a single really smart sign-in that, especially when you log in the first time, is very aware of what you already have access to and only gives you access to apps because, like Prototype 1, we are very app-driven. Only gives you access to things you actually have access to. So our login page, we really wanted it clean and not over-cluttered. For our sort of everyday page, we would like it to be situationally aware, both in terms of where your physical location is and what kind of device you're using, and not just mobile friendly, but alter how it displays things. So, drop-down menus are great on computers, but they can be sometimes more cumbersome if you're using a small mobile device. We want a search feature, but we also want to have an ability to do an advanced search, which is not currently available on the system. We want to populate the original sign-in with a few very basic ones, which would be in part dependent on whether you're staff, student, faculty, whatever. We want a people search email similar to first one, access to databases as you have them, whether it's the library databases as a student or EFS if you're staff, or class rosters if you're faculty. We want a calendar, which also includes things like, if you so choose, youth and general events, but also leave that as off if it's not your thing. And we want access to maps for around campus. Standard trash, help, and settings features. And all of these would be able to be moved wherever you want them.
Oh, and easily organized.
Easily organized.
Similar to how your smartphone has folders, and you can kind of customize it and put it the way that you're going to use it.
So you don't necessarily have a set place for different people. If you want your advanced search down on the lower left, you can move it there. If you want it to go away completely, you can make it go away completely.
And it starts simple, so this front page is really the default. This would be if you're brand new, just coming into it, easy, and you can drag in, the other features, other apps, kind of idea that you like.
And around the edge, we have some of the possible apps that we thought of, but certainly, as other people think of things that they would like to see, which you can drag on in places you wish. For the advanced search, something that would let you get results and then refine them so that you can have all or at least one of them or none of them, and things like media types, which campuses you're looking at. For instance, I have to look at both Duluth and Twin Cities, and it'd be nice to be able to have it default to look at those two, ignore Crookston and Morris, but at least get both of those. Have it change slightly for faculty, staff, and students, or if you're doing people search, you know the person you're looking for is in facilities management and isn't taking courses, it will only go through that. I think that's basically.
Great, thank you.